Ever wanted to create your own cinematic 3D animated story, but felt completely trapped by complex software like Blender or expensive rendering rigs? Worse yet, maybe you've already tried using AI video generators only for your main character to morph into a completely different person the second the camera angle changes. You can officially say goodbye to that frustration. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a breathtaking, narrative-driven 3D animation video from scratch using completely free AI tools. And yes, we are going to fix the character consistency problem once and for all. Here's the thing most creators struggle with. They spend weeks learning complicated 3D software only to create animations that look amateur at best. Or they try AI tools that promise the world, but deliver characters that literally change faces mid-scene like some kind of horror movie. That's where OpenArt comes in as a total game changer. This platform uses advanced AI to maintain perfect character consistency while generating professional quality 3D animations that would normally cost thousands of dollars to produce. We're talking about creating Disney-level storytelling without the Disney-level budget or years of training. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create consistent characters, transform them into stunning 3D animations, and enhance your final video to look like it came straight from a professional animation studio. I've got the link in the description below so that you can follow along step by step. Step 1, setting up your account. Now here comes my absolute favorite part about getting started. It's literally so simple that I was creating animations within 5 minutes of signing up. When I first created my account, the AI immediately gave me access to its tools, world library and character library. I literally spent my first hour just exploring all the possibilities, and I was totally obsessed with how professional everything looked right out of the box. Here's exactly how to set up your account for maximum success. First, head to their website and click the Get Started Free button. Then you can just create your account right away with your Google account, Discord, Twitter, or email. Once you're in, you'll see their amazing tools, ranging from story video generation to advanced image editing. Here's what most people don't know. You don't need to drop a single penny or commit to a heavy monthly subscription to try any of this out, because they actually give you free trial credits the exact moment you sign up. But here's where it gets really exciting. Once we have our account ready, we're going to create a character that stays consistent throughout our entire animation. Step 2, creating consistent characters. Now here comes my most game-changing discovery about character creation, using their text with reference feature. When I uploaded my character reference image, the AI locked onto their features perfectly across different shots. I literally couldn't believe how identical the character looked, even when switching from a medium shot in the first scene to a tight close-up in the next. The face didn't warp or change at all, making the whole transition feel incredibly seamless. Here's the step-by-step process for creating characters that never break consistency. Start by clicking the character tool in your dashboard. Then select Create a Character. You'll see 3 options. You can start from an image, describe your character, or build your character. I recommend the description method because it gives you more creative control. So here, I'll pick the description method. Next, we can type in a detailed description of your character. For example, cute 3D girl character, chibi style, big eyes, fluffy hair, pastel outfit, soft lighting, Pixar style render, adorable pose, ultra cute, full body, high detail, clean background, kawaii aesthetic. Then we can select the AI model. There are Seedream 4, Seedream 4.5, and Nano Banana Pro. I'll choose Nano Banana Pro. Now, select your generation style. They offer everything from Pixar style to anime to realistic 3D. I personally love the 3D option because it creates that professional movie quality we're all after. Then we can adjust the number of images here. Finally, we can hit the Generate button. In less than a minute, we will have our character here. We can click on it and then hit Set as Character. After that, fill in the name and add voice. Then we can design one for our character here. Next, we can write a prompt and generate a preview. Once it's generated and it fits your character, you can click Save Voice. You can also write the character's background story in this box here. After that, we can hit the Create button. Here's what most people don't know. You can actually save multiple characters and use them across different projects. I've built up a library of 20 plus consistent characters that I can use anytime I want to create a new story. Now that we have our perfect character, let's turn them into a living, breathing 3D animation. Step 3, turning characters into 3D animation. Now, here comes my most mind-blowing moment with this tool. Watching my static character literally come to life with realistic movements and expressions that rival professional animation studios. When I first generated my character's walking sequence, I was honestly speechless because the AI created 24 frames per second of smooth, natural movement that looked like it took weeks to animate. I literally watched it 10 times in a row because I couldn't believe this was possible with free tools. Here's exactly how to transform your character into a stunning 3D animation. First, back on your dashboard, you can select Character and then hit Character Video. Next, we can click on our character. There are two main ways to make these videos. First, start/end frame, where you just upload the first and last picture and the AI fills in the motion. Second, text with reference, where you type your prompt and add a reference image to keep your character's look perfectly consistent in every shot. So here, I'll go with a text with reference. For the AI model, I'll select Kling 3.0 Omni because it's the best model for videos with cinematic quality, smooth and natural movement, and high quality resolution. Then, we can enable multi-shot features so we can generate continuous shots in one go. Moving over to the prompt box, this is where we can write our prompt. The key to getting a controlled result is to specify the angle, pose, and camera movement. So I'll go with this. A medium shot of the character gently picking up a tiny, sad cat. 3D Pixar Kids style animation. Bright pastel color palette. Featuring high-end subsurface scattering for soft plastic toy skin texture. And advanced global illumination for natural reflections, soft ambient lighting, whimsical and bright atmosphere. Click on Add Shot, then we can write down a prompt for the second shot. After that, adjust the duration of each shot. I typically use 3 to 5 second clips that I can string together later. This gives you more control over pacing. Now enable the audio toggle so your video has built-in sound. Then open up advanced settings to choose your aspect ratio and resolution. After that, simply click Generate and watch your story come to life. In less than 5 minutes, we'll have our video ready. Now here's a pro tip that most creators completely miss. They let you stack multiple references at once. You can upload your main character, a separate pose guide, and a background style image, blending them all seamlessly for ultimate control over the shot. But we're not done yet. Now comes the part where we take this good animation and make it spectacular. Step 4. Enhancing your generated animation. Now here comes my most satisfying part of the entire process. Taking your already impressive animation and transforming it into something that looks like it came from a major animation studio. When I first tested these upscaling tools, I took a simple animation and turned it into a crystal clear 4K masterpiece with ultra buttery smooth 120 FPS movement that made my jaw drop. I literally felt like a professional Pixar animator, without needing a high-end supercomputer or spending years learning complex software. Here's the step-by-step process for enhancing your animation to professional quality. First, click on your newly generated video clip right from the creation dashboard. Then hit the upscale button, which is absolutely crucial for getting that high-quality movie studio finish. After that, head over to the resolution section and select the 4K option to lock in the ultimate clarity. Next, go to the frame interpolation section and pick 120 frames per second to achieve that ultra buttery smooth animation. Finally, once you hit generate, the AI will start refining every single pixel. Then, you can just hit the download button to save it straight to your device. Here's what most people don't know. When you combine 4K upscaling with 120 FPS frame interpolation, you're basically getting the power of a Hollywood studio render farm. Normally, rendering a 3D animation at that resolution and frame rate would require thousands of dollars in high-end computer hardware and hours of waiting. But this AI handles the heavy lifting in the cloud, giving you ultra-smooth results in seconds on any device. The final result is a 3D animated story video that looks like it cost thousands of dollars to produce, but you created it entirely with free AI tools in less than an hour.
Oh, what's wrong, little kitty? Meow. It's okay, you can trust me. Meow. There you go, little friend. You're safe now. Meow. That's the smile I wanted to see. We'll be best friends forever.
Let's talk about what this would normally cost you. If you hired a professional animation studio to create a 3D animated story video like this, you'd be looking at $5,000 to $15,000 minimum. If you decided to learn traditional 3D animation software like Blender or Maya, you'd need 6 to 12 months of intensive study just to create basic animations. With this tool, you're creating professional quality content in less than an hour without spending a single dime up front. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Honestly, there isn't one. While they do have premium plans, they give you generous free credits right out of the gate. This is more than enough to let you create multiple projects every single month without ever touching your wallet. What if I need help or get stuck? They have an amazing community forum and comprehensive tutorials that walk you through every single feature. Here's what you're getting when you start using this today. Immediate access to professional quality 3D animation tools that would normally require years of training. The ability to create engaging story content that stands out on social media and builds your audience. A creative outlet that could potentially become a source of income through YouTube, monetization, client work, or selling your animations. The link to get started is in the description below. Just click it and you can be creating your first 3D animated story within the next 10 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe because I'm constantly discovering new AI tools that are revolutionizing creative work. Drop a comment below with what kind of story you want to create first, because I literally read every single comment. The future of animation is here, and it's more accessible than ever before. Don't let another day pass wishing you could create professional animations.